girl Keke Beauty, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and thanks for the ones who are returning to my channel. Like always, I appreciate all the support and the love. But today we're going to be making TEEPEE'S for girls sleepovers. Like I said before in my last video, I did this last year for my daughter's birthday when she had a sleepover, and as you know, we're in Texas and she's supposed to be having a sleepover this weekend, but due to the weather, I'm not quite sure how that's gonna turn out, but I just felt inspired tonight to make at least one TP for her, you know, just in case things don't go well this weekend, at least she can have a TP up. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this TP, then please keep watching and I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, the things you're going to need is a big open empty space. I have bolstered ceilings, so I have a lot of space just in case you get tall wood. This is the wood I got. I got an 8 feet by 4 inches long wood, and I have fabric. So of course you can get the fabric of your choice. This silver one is the one that she had on her TP last year. This fabric here is the one you saw in the last video when we went to Walmart and bought that fabric. This is measuring tape, scissors, and you're gonna need thumbtacks. And these little flowers I got from the 99-cent store to put on top of the TPs, like as decorations, but that was from last year. And this rope I got from Home Depot. I'm not exactly sure the exact name, but I know it's like a string like rope. You're gonna need that so you can tie and string the TPs together. Of course, you're going to need the lights. I got these lights on Amazon. They have different modes. As you can see, they're going on one side right now, and sometimes they switch from left to right, and then they blink. So yeah, and of course you're gonna need a helper. Hi. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, it's not even, but you're gonna cross the top like this. Cross it in the top. I got 2 sticks right now so far, and like I said, you're gonna need a helper, but you know, sometimes kids don't act right. They can get on that TikTok, but they can't act right when you do stuff. But you can lean it against the wall and try to do this, because I've done that too. But what we're gonna do, like how I said, she's crossing this, and I'm gonna get the string and then start wrapping these 2 pieces together, and I'll add the other pieces later. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is take this string and go to the top right here, how it's crossed, and start wrapping that around the top part while you're holding it together. Do it as tight as you can, because these kids get wild in these TPs and it might fall over. So just keep wrapping it and do it as tight as you can. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm standing on top of a chair, and I'm just gonna wrap this around and pull it as tight as you can, and just keep wrapping. This is what I did so far. I wrapped the string around the 2 pieces. You see how it's not shaking or moving. It's very sturdy, and I didn't have to use much. Just make sure that you're wrapping it very tightly, because like I said, when they get in there, they get to acting crazy, and the whole thing will come tumbling down on their head. You don't want that as wood. So just wrap it tightly around the 2 pieces. And then now I'm gonna add a 3rd piece of wood. I'll be right back. The 3rd piece in the back is not tied yet. So what I'm gonna do is tie this one, that one, and that one, all 3 together, all in one loop. I'm gonna tie all 3 of those together. Guys, I have added the 3rd piece of wood, and I wrapped it around. But this really all you need for one TP is the three pieces of wood. But since, you know, my daughter is a little bit taller, she's 13. I don't know if they putting something in the chicken or what, but my daughter is pretty tall. So, I mean, you really don't need an 8-foot wood, but it depends on how tall, how high you want your teepee to be. But I went ahead and went with the 8 foot by 4 inches, like I said before. And so I'm probably gonna add another piece of wood to keep it more sturdy, since the other teepees, when I make the other two, I'll be taking them down once everybody leave, but I'm gonna keep hers up. So I'm gonna make it a little more wider and sturdier for her. So yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. We made progress. So yeah, I'm getting ready to hang the fabric on it. But I just wrapped this around a couple times. Probably gonna wrap it a little bit more. And this, y'all, that don't have to be perfect. You can just wrap it just as long as it's sturdy. And what I did was added 2 woods in the back part. So like I said, so it can be more sturdy, since she is the only one that's gonna be keeping hers. The other ones I'll be more than likely taking it down and taking it to the trash. But like I said, you could do with 3 of them. It honestly looks a little bit better on the top when it's just 3, but like I said, it really don't matter. Kids are kids, and they're definitely gonna have a good time with these beautiful teepees once it's done. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to put the fabric on. Hey y'all, so this is the fabric. I got 2 yards. It's 72 by 44 inches. Fabric, 65% polyester, 35% cotton that I picked up at Walmart, and I'm gonna be using 2 of these. Maybe this added on top. I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna be creative with this, but yeah, this is what you'll need. Okay, so far I got 1/2 piece of the fabric up, so I'm just showing y'all a little bit how it goes. What I did was get the thumbtacks, and I just tacked it inside the wood. Put one here, and then I got one like towards the back. And so yeah, we're gonna add the finishing pieces, y'all. So what you'll do is you'll get another piece of fabric and add that on the other side and thumbtacks it wherever you feel that you need to tax the pieces of fabric in. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys the finished product. We'll be back. All right, y'all, the finished product. I'm officially done. It's the inside of the teepee. So yes, this is it. So yes, this is gonna be lots of fun, y'all, and this is definitely budget friendly. Like, it didn't cost much at all. So I know a lot of people not working right now, and your kids are in the house during quarantine, so this would be something fun for them to have, even if, you know, they're not having a birthday party. All right, y'all, so I'm finally done with the teepee. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that this helps somebody. Like I said, this is something fun for the kids to play in, and this is for my daughter's birthday, but I understand that parents are not working right now. At least it's the least you can do, give them something to do inside the house, since we're in quarantine, can't really just take kids places anymore like that. But please like, comment if you like, and please share this video and subscribe to my channel, and remember, you are beautiful. Thanks, guys.